Bonjour from my apartment in Paris. It's been a while, ça fait un moment. How have the last few weeks been for you? Comment tu vas? How is everything? Today I wanted to take you along to some of the things that have been happening the past few weeks. I'm super happy that we're gonna spend some time together. Donc get comfy, allons passer la journée ensemble. Let's spend the day together. Allons-y! Guys, c'est complètement fou, mais la Seine is flooding. That's really crazy. I've never seen this. Même les arbres, ils sont sous l'eau. Even the trees are under the water. And a lot of people are wondering why there is so much flooding dans la Seine. Mais en fait, c'est parce qu'on a eu un hiver exceptionnellement pluvieux. There was a winter that had exceptionally a lot of rain. Et aussi parce que le sol, en fait, il est hyper saturé. The ground is super saturated already with a lot of water. En fait, à la fin, la Seine est inondée. The Seine is flooding. Mais donc, ça arrive assez souvent. But to have this much, autant, c'est la première fois. It's the first time. Et moi, ça fait 3 ans que je vis à Paris. It's been 3 years that I live in Paris. Et c'est vraiment, j'ai jamais vu ça. I've never seen this. Normalement and normally, en fait, il y a des passages comme ça où tu peux rejoindre la Seine, where you can go down and like walk across. Mais là, tout est fermé. Everything is closed. On a quand même de la musique sympa, donc ça va. Je vais descendre. I'm gonna go down parce que on va voir à quoi ressemble la Seine. What does the river look like? T'as vu, tout est trempé, like the Seine is overflowing to the sidewalk. C'est fou, tout est trempé, everything is wet. C'est dingue. I just came downstairs et je voulais marcher and look at this. The sidewalk is completely covered. Musée d'Orsay là, and then where would have been a nice walk along the Seine, it's flooded, c'est inondé. En février, in February, it's also le Nouvel An chinois, Chinese New Year. So we're actually in the place where I buy all of my sauces when I like cooking Asian food. Et là, aujourd'hui, on va aller acheter, we're gonna buy some ingredients pour faire le repas du Nouvel An chinois to make the meal of Chinese New Year's Eve. It really looks like a little China. On a l'impression que c'est une petite Chine. Il y a plein de magasins comme en Chine. There are so many shops just like in China. Quelque chose que je reçois beaucoup, a lot of people always ask if I'm actually Chinese. I'm not. I just did my master's there and I live there, and also I think the language is super interesting. Mais je suis pas chinoise, but I do have some friends that are Chinese in Paris, and so I'm so excited to do the Chinese New Year meal today. But first, d'abord, on doit acheter des ingrédients. We need to go buy the ingredients. Il y a plein de pâtisseries chinoises. There are a lot of Chinese pastry stores. Et il y a aussi des restaurants mala, très très épicés, spicy restaurants. Et regarde les décorations. They did decorations. And what I like about Paris is that I feel like every year there's so much going on for the Chinese New Year. Mais after having lived in Shanghai, I didn't see as many things as here. Donc c'est sympa de voir le mélange de culture. And that's what I love about Paris and big cities, is this mix of cultures, ce mélange de culture. I really think it brings diversity. You can really taste each other's foods. You can get along. And là, tout le monde est content. Everyone's happy parce que c'est la nouvelle année du cheval. It's the new year of the horse, the fire horse. Je viens d'arriver, I just arrived. On a les courses pour le dîner du Nouvel An chinois, for the dinner of the Chinese New Year. Je vais débarrasser un peu. C'est marrant parce que ça, they call this like Shanghai lettuce. Donc la laitue de Shanghai, I'm pretty sure the real name, c'est pas du tout ça. Sinon, il y a plein de choses. I love making teas with like different types of dry fruits and dry plants. Et ça, I don't know what the name is in English actually. Jujube, I think. I love putting these in tea, j'adore. Ça, c'est la base du hot pot. Like this is the soup hot pot base. In France, we have les fondus, et en Chine, on a le hot pot. Hot pot maison is really so good. On a la sauce cacahuète et la sauce mala. And I'm so happy because it's actually my previous place, my little small studio. J'avais une voisine super sympa, super friendly neighbor that became a friend. Et donc, je vais passer le nouvel an chinois chez elle. I'm gonna pass Chinese New Year's Eve at her place. J'ai trop hâte de cuisiner tout ça, but first, on doit les ranger dans le frigo. Any of you guys who are watching this do celebrate Chinese New Year's? I'm super curious about how you celebrate, comment tu fêtes ça. Parce que comme je disais, je suis pas chinoise, I'm not Chinese, even though I lived in Shanghai. Et j'aime bien savoir comment les différentes cultures, different cultures celebrate different types of New. Viens là, Vivi. Mimi wants to come. Look. She even has the scarf. Elle a même la petite écharpe. And that's because one of my friends in Shanghai, before I left, she gifted this to Mei, because Mei, on the other hand, unlike me, is from Shanghai. She's happy because the friend actually has a Labrador et un chat and a cat. Et elle s'entend très bien avec. She gets along with them so well. Donc c'est ma petite chinoise, my little Chinese puppy that flew all the way to Paris. Let's go prepare dinner for tonight. Ça y est, it's it, il fait beau, it's sunny, and that's because we are the new year. Not the new year 2026, but the new year. On est l'année du cheval de feu, so the year of the horse of fire. It's really a year of movement, of intensity, of moving forward. On part par l'avant. We leave all the shedding and things from the past. Dans l'année du serpent, which was the previous year, the year of the snake. I honestly want to bring this energy for the rest of the year. Honnêtement, ça passe tellement vite. It's going by so fast. I also want to include more snippets of my life, starting with putting more vlogs, not just doing concepts about Paris, showing you un peu de ma vie, a bit of my life in Paris. So I really hope you've enjoyed this video so far. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to subscribe so I can see you dans la prochaine vidéo, in the next video. And now on to our next spot, au prochain arrêt. Vous avez deviné, we are at le Louvre. There are so many people, il y a tellement de monde, surtout quand il fait beau, when it's sunny out, et en après-midi, et en journée comme ça. Regarde-moi ce monde, look at all these people, c'est complètement fou. C'est quand même très très beau, it's still very beautiful to be around this area, malgré le monde, even though there are so many people. Mais comme je disais, en fait, if you come to Paris, il faut absolument venir la nuit aussi. You have to come at night as well, parce que tout est illuminé, everything is lit up, et c'est très très beau. Et maintenant, nous sommes le soir. We are the evening, and I was so excited because I'd actually never been at night. Et aussi parce que il n'y avait absolument person to be able to attend such an event where there is not many people inside the Louvre and to see it this empty. I joined my friend and then we headed into the event, and it was so interesting to hear about the lab that they had created to do research between the team of the Louvre and the team of Snapchat, and how they came up with the fact that they can use augmented reality to certain pieces. So if you're in the Louvre, make sure to take a photo on Instagram and tag me so I can actually see that you've been to le Louvre and you've seen some of these things. If you'd like me to make a video about le Louvre, make sure to comment down below, parce que c'est vraiment un musée sublime, magnifique, qui raconte toute une histoire, that says so many stories. It's really worth visiting. Don't be scared of the crowds. There are other parts of the museum that are just as magical as that one piece of art that we're thinking about. This will forever be a night to remember. On est seul dans le Louvre, we're alone, et regarde-moi cette vue, this view. On a la tour Eiffel juste là, we have the Eiffel Tower. C'est trop beau. Et en plus, on a le Louvre, la pyramide juste là. Wow, I look a little creepy. Mais normalement, c'est un café la journée. It's a cafe in the daytime. Mais là, c'est la nuit et je vois cette vue magnifique. En vrai, wow, Paris c'est vraiment la plus belle ville. Today is a special day, c'est l'anniversaire de petite Mémé. Elle a déjà 6 ans. 6 ans, Mémé, already 6 years. I give her a little trim. Je sais pas si vous arrivez à voir, if you can see. So aujourd'hui, même si je travaille, even though I'm working, je vais essayer de lui faire un petit gâteau rapidement. I'm gonna make her a little doll cake. We'll see how it goes. Et on va aller dans son parc préféré. We're gonna go to some of her favorite parks. C'est la pause déjeuner. It's lunch break, and I'm gonna try to make a little puppy doll cake for Mémé. Because in the past, pour son anniversaire, for her birthday, I would usually just order it. Mais cette année, on va essayer de le faire. We're gonna try and do it. Il y a 3 ingrédients, so pas trop compliqué. Il faut des bananes, du beurre de cacahuète et des œufs, je crois. Voilà. Même pour nos animaux, faut les fêter. We need to celebrate them, even if we have crazy busy schedules. I recently made a cake for my Korean friend's birthday, and that was the only moule. That was the only cake mold I had. For this time for Mémé, on va utiliser what's usually made for salty dishes, des petites cocottes comme ça. But je pense que ce sera sympa aussi. Last time I took these out, c'était pour faire une soupe à l'oignon, an onion soup. It's very realistic because I'm like in my work clothes. Hop. Après, il faut l'écraser. So I need to mash it up. Quand j'ai tout écrasé, ça ressemble à ça. And then pour le beurre de cacahuète, pas en mettre trop because I don't often give her peanut butter, so I'm just gonna give her like a spoonful, une cuillère. Le reste sera pour moi. I really like peanut butter. I actually used to make it. La plupart des Français sont pas très fans du beurre de cacahuète, mais moi j'aime trop. I like it so much. Et après, je mélange tout. I mix everything. On mélange et on mélange des petites cocottes. You can either use coconut oil or olive oil to line up your cake recipients. On met ça autour, comme ça va pas trop coller. On met hop, voilà. Pendant que ça cuit, while it's cooking, on va faire la partie glaçage, the icing. On aura besoin du yaourt grec, Greek yogurt, avec un tout petit peu de beurre de cacahuète. Just put a little bit. Et après, je mets ça dans le frigo. C'est prêt. It's ready for the glaçage, the icing. J'ai mis un peu de glaçage, a bit of icing, des myrtilles, the blueberries. Putting 6 parce qu'elle va avoir 6 ans. Et voilà. Et maintenant, nous allons tester le brunch du Kimpton pour l'anniversaire de Mémé for her birthday, mais pas n'importe quel brunch, ça va être le doggy brunch, donc j'ai trop hâte de tester. Can't wait to try. Allons-y!
Mémé's birthday celebrations continued in Le Kimpton Saint-Honoré Paris, which is a really beautiful luxury boutique hotel. It is really special because they have these doggy brunches once a month, first Sunday of every month, which are very delicious, and the dogs get along so well. So we got to eat a cute breakfast avec my favorites, œufs à la coque, and Mémé got to spend quality time with her friends. And look at this, she even has a cute drawing of herself. I think it looks super similar like her. It's so special to spend moments like this because even though, you know, it's just a small birthday brunch, I really think now more than ever we need to celebrate things that mean a lot to us, even if it's something small. And this is to say that I haven't been on this channel for a little while because there are a lot of things happening, but I'm really touched that some of you on both YouTube and Instagram have been reaching out to ask me about the videos. It really encourages me to make more things, and I'm always open to suggestions if you want to write any below. I'm super excited to see you in the next video, so make sure to subscribe. I hope you're having a lovely day and see you very soon. Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.